Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you a very simple animation way how to make it. Let me expand it. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Play button. We have a flower and it's slowly growing. Let's do it. So what you have to do, you have to load the flower out here. So I will delete my flower. I will go to Little Kitten and upload. I find my flower. Here you go, it's standing right out here. And then I have to go to its costumes. I do right click on a flower costume and duplicate it. Then I take eraser tool, I zoom plus, and I erase a little bit. I duplicate it and I erase it a little bit. I duplicate it and I erase it a little bit. Duplicate it. I do it many times. More times you do it, more smooth your animation gonna be. Okay, almost finished. Let me do the last lines. And now we have to go, you see I've got lots of them slowly disappearing. Now I have to go to code. I need to find when green flag clicked forever, and I need to find a costume. Switch costume to, and here on the bottom I need to find costume number, you see, and I need to do -1 because it has to disappear. I put it right here and I write minus is already out here, so you just write 1. And I put it inside. What do we have? When green flag clicked forever, switch costume to costume number -1. Let me play it. You see, my flower is growing. Very simple way to make an animation. If you want to make it slower, you go to events, and here you have to wait. Like wait 0.1 second. It's gonna grow slowly.